So ayan mga guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa labas ng department store at pupunta kami ngayon sa Expression, yung school supplies, para maghanap kami ng mga cartolina, yung tinatawag na cartolina para gawin naming mga flowers. So ayan, panoorin nyo lang kami mga guys at ituturo ko pa kayo sa ibang bahagi ng mall na ito. Thank you so much for watching again, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell para ma-update kayo sa aking panibagong mga vlog. So at this time we're inside the Expression and we're looking for that cartolina. So nakita na namin dito mga guys is black, white, ano ba yan? So wala yung color na hinahanap namin. So ayan mga guys, naghalo-halo lang kami dito kasi wala kami. Para uwi na kami kasi nga ilanganin din mag-lunch. Ayun. Halo-halo lang muna. So ayun mga guys, dito kami ngayon papunta ng Veranza. It's still part of the KCC Mall. So parang Gaisano Mall, Gaisano City lang din sa Cagayan de Oro. So parang may overpass siya. Yung overpass niya na nagdugtong sa dalawang mall. So yan, makikita natin. Ayun mga guys. Yan, doon kami galing. So puntahan natin ang Veranza kung gaano ba talaga kaganda ang Veranza. So yan, welcome to Veranza. So makikita ninyo guys, sobrang ganda ni Veranza. At makikita pa rin natin dito yung mga decorations ng Chinese New Year. Kasi nga, bago pa lang celebrate ng Chinese New Year. So ayan yung Veranza mga guys. So dyan, pwede kang mag-concert or any event. Pwede yan gawin dyan mga guys. So ayan, kunti lang yung tao nagtatambay dito sa gilid ng Veranza. So puntahan muna natin mga guys yung yung parang may mga Chinese, ayan o. So ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Veranza ng KCC Mall Jinsan. At makikita nyo dito ngayon guys, itong, ayan o, may sila para sa Chinese New Year. At doon guys, ayan, makikita nyo ito. Parang fountain yan guys, na ginagaya dun sa yung, ano ba yung kita natin dun sa Dubai? Yung may mga ganyan, ayan, so water yan, parang fountain siya. Pero ngayon, hindi siya umaandar. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Baka pag lang, pag may mga special occasion, pinapaandar siya. So ngayon, hindi siya umaandar guys. So dito naman makikita ninyo, sobrang ganda talaga guys ng KCC Mall Jinsan. So if you happen to be here in Jinsan, huwag niyo kalimutan pumunta dito at mag-visit. Check na tong KCC Mall Jinsan. So dito ako guys, hindi natin. Kikita ninyo yung Veranza niya. Ganda talaga yun. So, papunta tayo dito. So, doon yung guys. Sinasabi ko sa inyo yan. Pwede kayo maglakad dyan. At hindi ko alam paano ba yung mall ba yung isa dyan. So, puntahan din natin yan guys. Tingnan natin kung ano ba yun.
I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.